A political storm is brewing in Kitui County, and the message is loud, direct, and impossible to ignore. Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka has issued a fierce warning to Kitui, members of County Assembly, accusing them of betrayal, disloyalty, and forgetting the very foundation that helped them rise to power. In an emotionally charged address, Kalonzo expressed deep disappointment at leaders he says he personally mentored, supported through scholarships, and later stood with during their 2022 MCA campaigns. But now, he says, those same leaders have turned their backs, choosing instead to praise and align themselves with President William Ruto. Kalonzo did not mince his words. He warned that if they do not change their course, the people of Kitui will remove them from office in the 2027 general elections. His message was clear. Leadership is earned through loyalty, integrity, and service, not political convenience. This rare and powerful warning exposes growing political tensions in Ukambani and raises serious questions about shifting alliances ahead of 2027. Watch this moment as Kalonzo Musyoka puts Kitui MCAs on notice and declares that the people will have the final say.
Now, County Assembly of Kitui, mwisho, we put you on notice. You are either with us or against us. Na baba ingwe, baba ina angwe, times wakati umeenda. And I'm watching all of you. Mutakuwa swept. Hakuna mtu ata survive if you are not on our side. Read the mood of the people. And wamaikwenda mundu kubuya mubezi mgwe. Niwo kanatigo. Nyetinya na miyema mbete mubezi. Hawai mwange kemanzua mwange. The time now to take a position ni now. Either, and you know I've brought you up. This is one of the most trained, and kwanza naenzi kemanzia adhiku yai, nukuziyo teka chairman. But instead you go and munapindua maneno, you look bad. You look terrible. And I have no time to argue with you. Sindio? I have no time. In fact, nawaonea huruma sana. Kila mtu apindue akili sasa. Kimanzi, anza na wewe. Go and talk to mtoto yetu Kinengo. Mwambie nimemtuma directly. Huyo mchezo uishe. Nduto na kudhozia mbai. You can. Yani Kindiki akuka kuku niwe Kalonzo maana. Mbewa Kalonzo jameni. Ruto akuka kuku you worship him. You worship Ruto. And you know the trouble we have come through. Abakemanzi, you know where we have come from. And you are there playing namna hii. I'm just addressing you politely. Yeah? So this is not the time anymore. Hey, hakuna mchezo onakabaka Kazinga waliki independent. Yule ni muungwana. I respect Kazinga a lot. Yani alama nyubia Wiper, they are terrible. Kitui County, what's wrong with you? Kazinga wanda you wana Wiper. Ni muungwana. Because Kazinga knows kutoka Mombasa tulitoka wapi na yeye. Nyinyi munaingia ituozi ya Kalonzo ange umusomethia. Ai? Tafadhali nenda nifike baundi kaizo that. Rono ngadata mwiko mbaneza. Nundu, I mean, gaumia either yemwe, you will not be okay. You won't be okay. There's humanity behind all. Kuna utu. And this is who we are. Don't pretend you are not who we are. You know how difficult our circumstances are.